guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chigozie Blessing. We're good to have you here with me. If today is your first time here on this channel, you're highly welcome. And to my existing subscribers, I thank you guys so much. You guys are all amazing. I welcome you guys to this beautiful month of June, which happens to be my birthday month. Who can guess the date? Please tell me in the comment section. That's my day, guys. In today's video, I'll be talking about skin barrier because I've been a victim of a damaged skin barrier. Yes. So in today's video, I'll be talking about a skin barrier. What is a skin barrier? What are the causes of a skin barrier? How do you recognize a damaged skin barrier? Now, how do you effectively repair a damaged skin barrier? What are the things to avoid and possibly some product recommendations? So guys, if that sounds like something you are interested in, keep watching, guys. Now, your skin barrier is a watertight seal that keeps the outermost layer of your skin smoothly together. Now, when these outer layers of your skin are healthy, your skin becomes soft, plump, and supple. But if these outer layers are damaged or impaired, it becomes unable for your skin to hold on to the vital substances that keeps your skin cells intact. Now, what are the causes of a damaged skin barrier? See, even if you have a flawless skin, there are some external factors that can trigger disturbances in your skin's protective barrier. And these factors include: 1. Over-exfoliating. If you are using exfoliating products too frequently, that can cause you a damaged skin barrier. And secondly, if you're using a scrub, or rather a product that is too harsh on your skin, it can cause you a damaged skin barrier, because it has really happened to me. I learned my lesson though the hard way. See, there's this product that I bought. I used it in the evening. A scrub. I scrubbed. The product was written face and body, so I used it on both my face and my body. That was in the evening. Then in the morning, when I woke up, I looked at myself. I was like, what happened? Did I engage my andromo? I didn't fight in the dream. So what really happened? There was a lot of reactions on my face. So it took me time. I had to get some products, incorporate some products into my skincare routine until I had everything back to normal again. I've been a victim and I learned the hard way. So I wouldn't want you guys to fall the victim too. So before you get any product, number one, make sure you know your skin type. I keep on hammering it. Make sure you know your skin type. I've made a video on how to determine your skin type. Kindly go. I know there are a lot of products in the market, and you don't want to be left out. No one carry last. My dear, please go for the core ones, the main products that suit your skin type, that will really give you what you want. Please don't go for too many products. This skincare thing is not a matter of, if they come into your shelf or your rack, you see a lot of products. No. Just go for the main ones. After you know your skin type, go for the main ones that suits your skin. Otherwise, in VDM's voice, you gotta learn, and you gotta learn the hard way. Also, if you have atopic dermatitis, this is a condition where your skin is unable to retain moisture or produce much oil. This can also lead to a damaged skin barrier. Also, if you're suffering from acne and you're using drying products for the acne, products like salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, tretinoin, these products are good, but if not used correctly and in the right proportion, they can irritate your skin, and that can also lead or cause you a damaged skin. What are the symptoms of a damaged skin barrier? Like, how do you even know you have a damaged skin? Now, if you experience red, itchy, irritated skin, if all of a sudden your skin becomes excessively dry, just know that you have a damaged skin barrier. Also, if you start feeling this hot burning sensation each time you apply a product, if you begin to look too aged, fine lines and wrinkles on your skin, now becomes too prominent, my dear, just know that osubile, you have a damaged skin barrier. How do you effectively repair your damaged skin barrier? Now, to effectively repair your damaged skin barrier, make sure you incorporate creams that has certain products, certain ingredients into your skincare routine. Ingredients like ceramide, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, ingredients like panthenol, also ingredients like green tea is a good one. Always look out for serums and moisturizers that contains these ingredients. They are a good one to help repair your damaged skin. Why is it important and very necessary that we maintain our skin barrier? Now, skin barrier protects our skin from external or environmental stressors like air pollution and irritants. Maintaining your skin barrier also helps in recovering your skin. It helps in maintaining hydration and moisture in the skin. Now guys, I will keep saying this, even if it takes me 1,000, I will keep saying it. Please know your skin type. Always know your skin type and go for products that are suitable for your skin type. Remember that your skin is the only organ that protects you from external environment. So guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and please, I've not even said this, please subscribe to my channel. I use God beg you. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell to know when next I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.